Good morning. This is Attorney Karen Jimeno. We'll get updates from COMELEC and give a spotlight on a next-gen politico. Here at the forefront. Local absentee voting will end today, drawing police, military, and media to the COMELEC office in Intramuros. With over 57,000 absentee votes at stake, the outcome could impact tight races. But more than this special voting process, how is COMELEC handling challenges with respect to the upcoming elections? With us this morning via Zoom is COMELEC Head of Local Absentee Voting Committee, Director Allen Abaya. Good morning, Director Allen.
Good morning, Karen.
Director Allen, kapag absentee voter po, sino-sino po ba ang mga qualified to be an absentee voter?
Ayon sa ating batas, those who are in government, including members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police, and also members of the media, can avail of the local absentee voting, provided they are registered voters, and that they will not be available to vote in their precincts on election day because of the performance of their election duties.
And Director Allen, perhaps something you can clarify is, paano ka ba magiging qualified na mag-absentee voting? Kasi para po sa mga minention ninyo, pagka kailangan yung magtrabaho, for example sa media, if you're suddenly assigned remotely, hindi ka pwedeng makaboto sa araw na yun sa sarili mong precinct. Pero gaano po ka-advance na dapat ma-register ka as an absentee voter para po makaboto ka ahead?
For these elections po, as early po as nung January, nung na-release po ng Commission and Bank ang ating resolution governing the conduct of our local absentee voting, nag-open na po ang committee ng local absentee to receive applications para dun sa mga gustong mag-avail ng ating local absentee voting system po.
Up to when po yung deadline para mag-register as an absentee voter?
Ang original deadline natin was last March, pero nagkaroon po tayo ng extension at binigyan po ang committee ng authority to receive applications as long as there is still time to process them and to transmit the ballots to those who are requesting.
Okay, and today is the last day of absentee voting?
Yes, Karen. Today is the last day for the voting for local absentee voters.
From yesterday po, ilan na po ba ang bumoto as absentee voters?
As of yesterday, meron na pong natatanggap ang ating committee na 353 accomplished ballots. Ito po ay nakasilid sa mga security envelopes. At ito po ay galing sa main office at meron din galing Pampanga, Cavite, Rizal at meron din tayong na-receive from the DICT ng Davao City.
Okay, so ang maliit pa rin po yung number compared to those that have been registered. Are you expecting na marami pong dadating na absentee voters today?
As of today, meron po kaming ini-expect pero hindi pa rin po ganun kalaki malamang kasi may mga ibang mga tanggapan pa na ongoing pa rin ang kanilang voting. Pero until May 11 naman po, yung deadline natin ng pagtanggap ng mga accomplished ballots. And we expect to receive as many as kung ilan po yung registered, approved po na mga nag-apply for local absentee voting.
Okay, so hindi naman pala po today yung last day to cast the ballot. So pwede pa up until May 11?
No, today po ang last day to cast ballots.
Okay.
Pero yung mga balota po kasi na manggagaling sa iba't ibang lugar sa Pilipinas, itatransmit nila yon sa atin dito po sa main office.
Okay.
Yung mga accomplished ballots.
Opo.
So I have to make that clear. Ang voting po, ang last day po ng voting is today. Pero yung submission po nila ng accomplished ballots dito sa ating committee is until May 11.
Yes. So,
2025.
Director Allen, para hindi po malito yung mga nakikinig sa atin, kailangan na nila talaga i-cast today kung saan man yung lugar that they have yung mga absentee voting offices where you can submit it. But you have to make sure na masubmit nyo po today, to cast today.
Yes,
But with
tama po.
Opo.
Ang botohan, ang casting ng votes is until today. Nag-start po nung Lunes, Monday, kahapon at ngayon.
Should there be very few with respect to the registered absentee voters, kung kukunti lang po yung nag-cast ng vote nila by today, is there a chance that COMELEC can extend the deadline for casting the ballots of the absentee voters?
That will be up for the Commission and Bank to decide in case that situation arise po.
Kapareho po ba to ng overseas voters wherein the ballots will be counted only after May 12?
Sa overseas voting, ang canvassing of votes nila is on May 12. After the close of polls on May 12. Para sa ating local absentee voting, yung counting of ballots naman natin will start at 8 o'clock in the morning on May 12.
Mauuna po.
Yes po. Mauna po ang pag-start ng bilangan. Kasi po, tapos na po at that time ang ating casting of votes.
Director Allen, ilang vote counting machines po ang nakalaan para bilangin yung absentee votes?
Aha. Dahil po meron po tayong registered voters na 57,749 na approved. So nag-expect po tayo na gagamit tayo ng 58 na ACM. Kasi ang bawat ACM meron pong naka-allocate po yan na maximum of 1,000 ballots.
So lahat po itong counting machines for the absentee votes will be in the central office of COMELEC. Is that correct?
Tama po kayo, Karen. Ang ating venue ng ating counting, kung saan nandun itong mga makinang ito, ay sa third floor po ng Palacio del Gobernador dito po sa Intramuros.
Okay. And Director Allen, sa palagay niyo po ba, is 57,000 of the absentee votes that were registered, let's say a substantial part of that is cast, will this make a difference for any of the races, especially at the national level, for example, sa senatorial race?
Ang bawat boto naman po ay mahalaga at nakakatulong po ito sa mga kandidato na binotohan. Pero kung ang pag-uusapan po natin ay kung makakaapekto po ba ito sa ranking ng ating mga kandidato, depende po yan sa difference between the candidates, yung mga senatorial natin. Kung kunyari minimal lamang po yung mga difference ng mga candidates, lalo na yung 12th and 13th ranked, pwede pong makaapekto ang result from the local absentee voting.
Director Allen, with people who are suddenly not available to vote on May 12, paano po na-ensure na yung ballots nila ay hindi magagamit if they're unable to vote on election day?
Ang ibig mong sabihin, Karen, yung mga hindi nakaboto ngayon?
For
sa local
example, hindi po sila naka-register ahead as an absentee voter, but they end up being deployed somewhere on election day, kaya hindi po makakaboto. Or for those na hindi makapag-show up on election day dahil naman magkasakit sila, for example, paano po hinahandle ng COMELEC yung votes, yung ballots para hindi magamit?
Unfortunately po, pagka hindi na po nakahabol sa filing at saka sa voting ng local absentee voting, hindi na po sila makakaboto sa ating election.
Any final reminders po, Director Allen, especially for those that were able to register as absentee voters? Since today po yung last day of casting.
Yes, thank you, Karen. Considering na ngayong araw po na ito ang last day ng ating pag-cast ng ating local absentee ballots, sana po lahat po ng nag-apply, na na-approve, at kung nabigyan po namin ng mga balota, sana po i-exercise ninyo yung inyong karapatan na bumoto kasi nasa ating resolution na pagka hindi po kayo nag-avail ng local absentee voting, hindi na po kayo pwedeng bumoto po sa Mayo 12, 2025 elections. So sana po bumoto po tayo, meron pa po tayong last day para mag-cast ng ating mga boto.
Thank you so much, Director Allen Abaya, and good luck po with the preparations today.
Maraming salamat po, Karen.